Clay's getting ready to spray his microbes on his pasture here. So you'll see the water in the tank there. You just want to mix 1 pint to 1 gallon of these soil care microbes with 15 gallons of water. So we've got our mixture all set up in that sprayer. So it's literally just water and then the soil care microbes, which the carrier for those is actually water. So it's actually going to look like you're pouring water in with water. It's a pretty easy mixture, but there's millions and millions of little soil microbes inside the soil care. There they go. So he's going to go ahead and spray the microbes on the pasture here. Best time to do it is in the evening, just before dark. So that's what he's doing here, so that these microbes can soak into the ground all night long. And then they're going to help the pasture, they're going to help the plants throughout the growing season here. Just really energizes and nourishes your soil. So you see he's spraying the pasture here with these soil care microbes. The other thing that's really neat about these microbes is that they are perfectly safe for your animals. So if you had horses out on the pasture, or you'll see we have dogs out here, and we have the cattle up top in the pasture. So as he's driving around, if these animals inhaled them, if they ate some of the grass that had the microbes on them, that's actually completely healthy and safe. They're all natural microbes. We actually feed the dogs and the horses and the cattle animal microbes. We have another formula that's called Balancer 2, and then we also have one called Reboot, depending on your particular animal and their needs. They both do a few different things. I can give you information on the other varieties of the microbes, but this one that he's spraying here, this is our soil care formula. So you can see him spraying that over the field. And then I know it's really became a big deal this year, and even last year with the fertilizer prices so high. We've actually had a lot of people asking about these microbes, and to be honest, they're going to help your soil. If you have old fertilizer, like if you have been fertilizing and you have old granules that are in the ground that have not been broke down yet, these little microbes will actually finish breaking those down. So they will help you utilize some of the fertilizer you've already put down. And then we do have some case studies on windrivermicrobes.com from some farmers and ranchers that did not fertilize because the fertilizer was so expensive, and they actually use these soil care microbes in place of fertilizer, because these little microbes are actually going to be the carriers to bring nutrients to your plants. So that's going to have more root growth, deeper root depth on your plants. You'll notice almost immediately the color of your plants brighten up and get real vibrant, really pretty colors. It's going to bring a lot of chlorophyll and a lot of color into your crops. It also brings more color into your flowers. And then the other neat thing about it is that it helps your plants and your crops germinate at a much higher rate. Like we've had people that have soaked just a plain seed to plant in their garden, and then soaked it for about 24 hours and then planted it, and had really, really fast germination rates. So this helps your plants grow. It helps them sustain. We actually have information and data to show you land that has had the microbes applied to it, and then land that has not had microbes applied. Same field, same year, same environment, and then we can show you the difference that the microbes make. So if you are interested in knowing a little bit more, then I want you to go ahead and give us a message on here. You can send us a message. You can actually give us a call. You can visit our website. That is CWEliteCowHorses.com. That's got all of our contact information on it. We are dealers of these microbes. If you're interested in purchasing them, we have them in stock here at our facility, or we can get you into a larger quantity of microbes if you have a bigger field. So these microbes will come anywhere from 1 gallon, 2.5 gallons, 55-gallon drums, 250-gallon totes. And then they also come in 6,000-gallon tankers for the bigger operations. So no matter your needs, we can help you out.